Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the repair tool on Photoroom. So first, you can tap the image or from the layer, and then you can scroll down a little bit, and then you could look for blur. Tap that on, and then you see that I have to paint over the unwanted parts. So this is for my baby's immunization, and so you just have to zoom in and then paint over the unwanted parts of your image. So I think this is useful when you want to share a product or anything. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.